back to my channel. Today I'm doing a 10-minute makeup challenge, and that is obviously a old challenge from like 2 or 3 years ago, but I figured I wanted to challenge myself to see actually how much makeup I could stick to my face in just 10 minutes. Intrigued. So I have all my makeup laid out. I'm scared. 3, 2, 1, go. Ah! Okay. I don't always use a primer, so I'm not going to use a primer today. I'm just going to draw this all over my face. And we're just going to get it everywhere apparently because I can't stick things back in with them. Not going to continue that. Not going to continue that. Although I do have foundation all over me now. Okay. Just gonna literally attack my face and chins because that's how we do things faster. I suppose. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I feel like I might be quite good at this, but I don't know. I hope to think I'm gonna be quite good at this. I really do hope. Okay, we can do this, it's fine. It's just doing a full face of makeup in 10 minutes and still looking half decent. I actually leave the house. It's no pressure. Absolutely no pressure. Don't know what you're on about. Don't know what you are on about. We can do this. I've got like music on in the background to like motivate me to go faster, but realistically I just, the urge not to dance or sing is killing me. Honestly. Ah! My arm is starting to ache. Something chronic right now. It really hurts. Ow. When you have to hold your arm up because, ow, it really hurts. I'm not going to the gym today, sorry. Gym what now? I've already did it today. Did a 10-minute workout doing my face. Okay, that'll do it. Powder. Ah! Dropping things. Powder. I shouldn't jump around. Where is my foundation brush? Okay. Just pack it on, girl. Pack it on. Honestly, I can just taste powder at this point in time. That's all I can taste. Powder everywhere. Okay, that. Okay. Contour. I don't know why I'm smacking myself thinking that's actually going to do anything. It's not going to do anything. Okay. I'm going to be so hench on this right arm because I don't think I've ever done makeup this fast in my life. Don't think I have. Okay, we can do this! Positivity! It's halfway down my top, but positivity all the same. And hair everywhere. Baby hair, just f off. Your girl is trying to look cute in 10 minutes, and it's not going to happen if you're sticking to my forehead everywhere. Okay. Don't forget the chins. Cannot forget the chins. I have so much contour. Pretty sure that's unfair. Okay, highlight. Just blush. What are we on? Oh my god. Nearly halfway. Okay. We can do this. Okay. Brows. My hair is just sticking to places it should not be sticking to clearly, but Start off with my thinner brow. If anything, this is where I f*** up now, is my brows, because one brow is thicker and doing things for me, and the other one, this one, not so much. Okay. I'm sorry if you can hear my music on in the background, I don't really know what to tell you right now at this moment in time, except for I am f***ing this brow up, something monumental. You probably can't even see, because my f***ing mirror is so close to my face right now. I'm trying to grab my brows out as well, that's probably why I'm having issues with them. Logic. Absolute logic. Okay. I don't even want to look at the time, but I can't want to look at the time at the same time. Does that make sense? Was that even English? Help. Okay. Thing is, my brows are like the things like that take the longest to do. For me, if that makes any sense. I don't think I'm even speaking literal English right now. I don't think anything that I'm saying is actually making any sense. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But my brows and my eye makeup are the like portions of my makeup that take the longest to do because I'm such a perfectionist. So this is actually like OCD for me right now. Like, need to get them somewhat looking like sisters. I mean, they're not going to look like twins, they never do look like twins, but yeah, that'll do. It. What are we on? Ah! 3.5 minutes! Jesus! Oh my god. What the hell? What time? It's really not on my side! Wow, that's disrespect. That's actually betrayal. Just... Okay, I'm just going to glue my lashes because I feel that if I glue my lashes and do my eyeliner while they're drying, it'll work. Okay, because you know your girl loves a fake lash, so... Oh my god, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? I don't know. Oh my god, I don't know what I need. I don't know what I need. Do I need like a double vodka lemonade? Do I just want a shot of vodka? Do I just want the whole bottle? Do I just want to sleep? Do I just want to give up on life? I don't know. Okay, liner. Okay. If you know me, I don't really do my liner like normal people. I kind of don't do it like normal people. Okay. I need a closer mirror as well, but... No one distract me, please. Nobody call me, nobody send me a text. I mean, they're not going to look identical, but that's where my lashes come in, hopefully. Okay, 2 minutes. We can do this. I don't know why you're all panicking. They're nowhere near f***ing but that's fine. Okay. Fuck, we're going with Desi Case lipstick. Fuck it. Oh my god, oh my god, what time is it? What do I need to do? Ah! Blend everything out. If in doubt, blend it out. I don't know. We're doing that rule now, apparently. Okay. Might need that mirror again, you know? To, actually, no, you what? No, you what? No, oh my god. English is clearly not my forte when I'm in a rush. Clearly not my forte. These are like really old lashes as well. No, they're not sticking. Don't do this to me. Don't. Wow! Okay. Clearly not dry yet, but... Oh my god. They are really not dry yet. Oh my god, I have 30 seconds! Are you kidding me? Are you actually kidding? No! I would not. No. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't you fucking dare go off. Oh my god! No! Okay, I've just like allowed my lashes to like glue a little bit more to my face. I think I've actually stuck them on the wrong eye though. I think I've stuck my lashes on the wrong eyes. I think that's happened. But that's the 10-minute makeup challenge and I've done a full face. Yes, my lashes were... They were travelling, they were doing things that I didn't want them to do. But I have done a full face of makeup and it's probably... Yeah. I've done a full face of makeup in 10 minutes, so maybe I don't need to actually wake up an hour earlier than normal because I can just do this. I know I can do this in 20 minutes, so the fact that I can now do this in 10 minutes, girl, I'm a changed woman. Oh, maybe not. I'm still going to take my time doing my makeup because I can't rush like that. Like, honestly, my arm hurts something chronic. So, if you did like this video, then click thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe. I'm here every Tuesday with this face doing something. I'm no longer doing weekly vlogs because I just feel that it's more of a chore filming weekly vlogs now. So there will be a vlog occasionally with clips in, but it's not going to be as weekly as they have been in the past. So there will be vlogs on Sunday every so often, but just not weekly anymore. But every Tuesday, I'm doing something. So, until the next video, I will see you... That didn't make any sense. What? Hello? I'll see you in the next one.